Hello and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I've got a very exciting unboxing to do with you guys. So I just got back from Paris and I did do a little bit of damage, but you know, shopping abroad, it's like doesn't count, right? But anyways, I'm so excited. I have a very special bag that I'm going to be unboxing for you guys today. It's a bag that I've had on my wish list for so long, and it is such an iconic, beautiful bag, and I am so lucky I got it at a very iconic location in Paris. But before I get into the full unboxing, be sure you take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. I post new videos every single week. I'll also be having a part 2 of this Paris luxury unboxing where I unbox something very exciting from Hermes. But anyways, without further ado, let's get into the box to unbox. Alright, so if you saw the title of this video, you probably already know what I'm going to be unboxing. But first, I do have the little bag that this came in. So I got this item at the flagship Dior store in Paris at 30 Montagna, and this has this super cute bag that came with it. So nice. It has the little like 30 on it and Dior, and has like the building design. And yes, I did throw this into my suitcase and bring it home with me because it is just so beautiful, and I do dream one day that I will have a closet where I can display a lot of these beautiful bags. All right, now I do have my Chanel Rochambeau bag that I brought back from my last trip. So yeah, this was just so pretty and so iconic that I had to bring it with me. This is the bag that it came in. And now for the actual box to unbox. Here she is. So beautiful. Again, I did shove this into my suitcase and kept it all wrapped and nice, but it did get a little flat. But anyways, I'll give you guys a close-up of the box. It's all this like texture, has the beautiful Dior ribbon and name and the gold flake. Oh, so pretty, and I'm so excited to show you what is inside. All right, so I'm gonna start with a little ribbon to pull off. Oh, I feel like when this packaging is so beautiful, it makes me not want to ever open it. I don't know, does anybody else feel that way? Like, it's just so pretty. You don't want it to stop being pretty. But all right, here is my big, thick Dior bow. Very nice. Honestly, like really nice quality. Definitely keeping this. All right, and here is the actual box that it comes in. So I'll go ahead and lift up the flap. And here it is. You can see it has this beautiful Dior wrapping paper on it, and it's all branded. It has this little Dior sticker. So cute, so pretty. Again, I don't want to like don't ruin it. Gotta be very gentle. And here's the bag. So first and foremost, I do have a little dust bag. You know me, I am a huge fan of dust bags. I think they are honestly so useful, and I do use them all the time if I'm storing my bags just in my room, in my house, when I travel, especially when I travel. I love having a good dust bag. I'll also like interchange them. Like if I have a couple other brands dust bags, I'll use them for different shoes, this or that, or bags. But yeah, I just think they're super nice, and like, why not? You know, why not use them? They're there. But yeah, this one is super cute. It's in the little Dior branding. Oh, so like a sticker on it. But yeah, really nice little dust bag. And then, oh, the grand finale, my Lady Dior. It is so absolutely stunning. Like, are you kidding me? This is such an iconic bag. It is a classic Princess Diana wore this bag. Like, it is a beautiful, beautiful bag, and just the quilting on it. They did have some newer styles of this bag in store when I was shopping, and the newer version of this is a little bit more flat, and honestly, I actually preferred the original quilted version, if I'm being honest. It just felt a little bit more luxurious, a little bit nicer, and yeah, so I definitely went for the original style. This is the gold hardware, although it's very, very light gold. Like, it's almost like champagne-ish. I compared it to the silver hardware, and I could definitely tell the difference when they were next to each other. The silver was a lot more harsh. It felt a little bit more intense, while the gold was a little bit softer, felt a little bit more feminine in my opinion, and just felt like it would match things a little bit better because it wasn't as like dramatic of a metal on it. So honestly, I really do recommend, even if you are a silver girly, to get the gold hardware because it's not like a true yellow gold. It's very soft and mixes well with silver in my opinion. Like, I have some silver pieces here and I think it looks good. I also have like yellow gold. Hello, a little Dior bracelet actually. LOL. But you can see the difference between this like true yellow gold and the hardware on here. But I think it all kind of mixes and matches well together. And then I just had to go for the iconic black. I just felt like this is a bag that I'm going to get so much use out of. The lighter colors are honestly so stunning as well. Like, so pretty, so beautiful, but I feel right now pretty content with my lighter color bags and felt like I did need something to spruce up my darker colors. Last time I was in Paris, I got a navy Chanel bag, and this time I'm getting a black bag, so I am slowly building up my darker bag repertoire. But yeah, this is just so beautiful. I was comparing this Lady Dior. Oh, let me put her down. Let's just put her up here. So I was comparing at the store this Lady Dior to the saddle bag, and the saddle bag is another one of their very classic styles, very iconic, very chic, and honestly, comparison wise, I thought I was going to like the saddle bag more, but I actually ended up not liking it as much as I thought I would. Not to say that I might not eventually get it down the line. I think it comes in a lot of really pretty colors as well, and I think maybe comparing the black saddle bag to the black Lady Dior, it might have just been a color thing where I really leaned more towards the Lady Dior than the saddle bag. But another element of the saddle bag that was a little disappointing to me was the space on the inside. It just felt like there wasn't as much room, even though it was a slightly larger bag. Also, crossbody, I didn't totally love this style of it, and I thought it kind of just looked better as a shoulder bag, while as with Lady Dior, I think it looks cute as a little top handle bag as well as the crossbody strap. And something that sold me so much on this bag as well was actually the strap, and I have it inside the bag, and I'll go ahead and show you guys. I guess I'll show you guys the inside of the bag. So you actually just have this little flap in the front to open up. It's not probably the most secure bag because of that. Like, there isn't any button or buckle on it, but it does fit nice. And then, okay, you can already see the inside and my strap that's in there. So this strap, when you purchase the bag, you get 3 charms that come with it, and as you go to Dior stores all over the world or just online, you can go and buy new charms for your bag. You can stack them up, you can fit as many as you can in this little section, but you do start out with 3, and I just got my initials. I thought that was just so cute and fun and added just a little personalized touch to the bag, and it definitely is something that stood out to me compared to the saddle bag. So yeah, I just felt like that was such a fun touch and like a little way to personalize your look. Dior does a really good job actually of adding some personalized elements to their bags. I know if you get the canvas bags, you have the opportunity to also like personalize that one as well, like the big tote bag. So it's just cool that that's kind of a common theme between a lot of their purses and styles. Yeah, so this is the crossbody strap. It's actually pretty thick thick, and it gives a little bit more of an edgier look to the bag, which I absolutely love. One of my favorite things and something I really look into when purchasing a luxury bag or a designer, high quality, expensive piece is something that's gonna have some duality to it. So it's not just like a one-note bag. You can dress it up and style it in different ways, and it has physical elements to it that make it able to kind of transform into different looks. And I feel like the Lady Dior with this strap definitely gives it more of that edgier, like harsher kind of look to it, which is so contrasted from the Lady Dior with just the top handle, which I think is so feminine and chic and classic. So I just love that there's different ways that you can style this and get a lot of use out of it. This one is in the size small. They do have a couple bigger sizes as well as a mini size. So I feel like the mini size just was a little bit too small for me. I definitely wanted something this size, although the mini bags are so cute and like so pretty and little and just fun. I feel like not as practical. So I did really like this size. There is a lot of room in here, and I mean like this strap fit in there, but I'll go ahead and show you guys it empty. There is quite a bit of space inside the actual bag. It does have a zipper compartment, which I love. Love a good zippered compartment in here. You can fit like whatever you need. And then along with the zipper on the inside, there's also this little pouch space as well. So if you want to put like your phone up in here or something just more easily accessible, you could put it there. I'll show you guys the size of it with my cell phone. This is just like the regular size iPhone, not a plus or anything. But you can see like it fits totally easy in here, and there's a lot of extra space. Definitely fit a card holder, keys, lip gloss, a snack, like there's a lot that you can fit in here again, which is why I liked this size a little bit better than the mini. I felt like the medium and the larger sizes were just a little too big for me. I do have some larger bags that I already really enjoy. So again, I was very intentional with the size and the design of this when I was shopping, which is also just like a side tip. If you are looking for your first luxury purchase or luxury bag, definitely do your research, your homework, and think about what you have, what you need, and what are the kind of elements that you are really looking for, and making sure that it does tick all the boxes before you spend a lot of money on it, because if it's not what you want, you're probably not gonna wear it, and then that just ends up being a waste of money. Anyways, this bag is so beautiful, and I cannot wait to wear it so much. Like, you're gonna be seeing me wear this like all the time. Just the fact that I can use it with a top handle, have the strap, it's so cute. Also, I'll show you guys how to do the strap, which it was kind of embarrassing. I actually like was not 100% confident on how to do it in store, so the sales associate did help me. So what you want to do is you actually like crisscross which ones you're putting it on. So you always put it on the front one that doesn't have the charms on it, and then you'll go around and hook it on the back hoop behind the one with the charms on it. So that's kind of how it hangs. You can see super cute, the little initial charms on here. Yeah, it's just such a cute bag, and honestly perfect for the season right now. Like, this is a great fall to winter bag. It's honestly a great all year round bag. I don't know, I feel like with the color, it's not too stark of a contrast between seasons, where you can always wear a black bag any time of the year. It's not like a particular season color. And yeah, so that was my unboxing of the iconic Lady Dior from the flagship store in Paris. As always, if you enjoyed this style video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends. Also, be sure to leave a comment down below. Would you like like me to do a little bit more in-depth review of the bag, comparing it to some other luxury bags in similar sizes, showing you what fits inside of it, how I'd style it, all that good stuff. If you want to see that, be sure to leave a comment down below. Also, while you're down there, if you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also, look out, I will be doing a part 2 of my Paris luxury unboxings where I will be unboxing something very special from the Hermes store. And yeah, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.